Imagine investing in a project that's partnered with Amazon Ads and Brightcove, yet its price is still far from its peak. What if I told you that in the last bull run, this crypto soared 218 times, turning a $1,000 investment into over $218,000? And what if we're just at the beginning of the next bull run, and the opportunity is right in front of us again? Stay tuned as we break down how Verasity, VRA, could see massive gains and how much your investment could grow if history repeats itself. In today's episode of Day Trading Edge, I'll be joined by ChatGPT, an AI with deep insights into the crypto world. Together, we'll dive into Verasity, VRA, its potential for the next bull run, and exactly how much you could make if the price repeats its past performance. We'll go over everything from the lowest price to the highest price, explore different investment scenarios, and help you see how big this opportunity really is. Let's kick things off. ChatGPT. What happened during the last bull run for Verasity? Verasity, VRA, experienced a huge surge in value. Back in December 2020, the price was just $0.0004. But by October 2021, it had skyrocketed to $0.0873. That's a 218.25 times increase. If you had invested $1,000 at the lowest point, your investment would have grown to $218,250. Your profit would have been $217,250. So that's a huge return. Where are we now in terms of price? Today, Verasity is priced around $0.003. We're no longer at the all-time low of $0.004, but we're still very far from the peak of $0.0873. There's still plenty of room for growth, and that's what makes this an exciting time to consider an investment. Now, let's look at what could happen if Verasity repeats those gains from the last bull run. If Verasity repeats its 218.25 times increase from the current price of $0.003, it could reach a new all-time high of around $0.6548, almost 66 cents per token. That's a 218 times return on your investment. A $1,000 investment at today's price could grow to $218,250. That would give you a profit of $217,250. That's massive. But what if Verasity only achieves a portion of that success? Let's say 50%, 30%, or even 10%. Sure, let's break it down. At 50% of the previous bull run's increase, the price could reach $0.327. That's a 109 times return. A $1,000 investment would grow to $109,120. Your profit would be $108,120. At 30% of the previous bull run, the price would hit $0.1964. That's still a 65 times return. A $1,000 investment could grow to $65,480. Your profit would be $64,480. Even at 10% of the previous gains, Verasity could reach $0.0655. That's a 21 times return on your investment. A $1,000 investment today would grow to $21,820. The profit would be $20,820. This really shows just how much potential there is. Even in the more conservative scenarios, the returns are huge. Exactly. Whether Verasity repeats its full 218 times increase, or just 50%, 30%, or 10%, there's still significant potential. If you're looking at a project that has already proven itself in the last bull run and is now entering the next phase with new partnerships, it's definitely worth considering. So let's summarize. If Verasity repeats its last bull run's performance, you could see a 218 times return, turning $1,000 into $218,250. Even at 50%, you'd see a 109 times return, turning $1,000 into $109,120. At 30%, you're looking at a 65 times return, turning $1,000 into $65,480. And even at 10%, you'd get a 21 times return, turning $1,000 into $21,820. Veracity's potential is massive, and with real-world partnerships like Amazon Ads and Brightcove, the opportunity here is significant. If you're interested in staying ahead of the curve and identifying projects with massive growth potential, be sure to subscribe to Day Trading Edge. We'll continue breaking down opportunities in the crypto space that could lead to life-changing gains. And remember, the key to making informed decisions is staying informed. Keep following us for more deep dives into the most promising projects in the market. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on Day Trading Edge.